Exposure to volatility. Ding ding. That was an interesting day. Looks like all the fucking squeeze plays are starting to squeeze. BBBY, big move, 15% up on the day. Broke into that big fucking call gamma at 550. Not quite 6, but still very compelling. Jimmy not doing much. Little run up this morning, mostly down throughout the rest of the day. Still trading significantly low volume. This part of the cycle is generally like this anyway, though. Tomorrow we have T+2. We may realize some price improvement. We may not. It's Gamma's like kind of neutral right now, so like the Gex exposure is minimal at best. We'll see what happens, but we do have ETF FTDs August 4th through August 10th. There will be a DD on that. Maybe not. That one might not be tonight, but I'll probably have that by like Wednesday. I'll try to get it done tonight if I can. I just have to chart it all out for everyone. Revlon doing some weird shit today. Up massively, 89% from this morning. There's definitely a potential that this keeps squeezing tomorrow. So we'll be watching this one a little more closely. I want to look into some of their liquidity and stuff, because the options chain isn't really supporting this move, which means shorts are getting squeezed out. And with the price movement today, it's going to attract a lot of interest. And if people pile into it, it could really get moving. SPY down a decent amount after its test of 413.41. A little below my expectations for that low peak. I was aiming more at like 413.90. But it did double top here and then came down throughout the rest of the day on slightly lower volume, but with some decent volume into close. This could continue to trend down. I wouldn't say it's broken on the daily, but on the 1 hour here, it really looks like it's starting to get rejected off of this upper trend line. And the downside of this is obviously pretty extreme. Tomorrow we have, let's see what important economic data is coming in tomorrow. Tomorrow, I believe, yeah, we have the JOLTS job openings at 10 a.m. And then simultaneously, the Fed's Evans is going to speak. And some crude oil stuff after market close, but I don't know how much of an effect that'll have on the overall indexes. So yeah, those are going to be the important things for tomorrow. I expect jobs to be pretty good. The Fed speech, obviously, we don't know what they're going to come out and say. They could come out hawkish, dovish, no comment. Right now, at these prices, I would imagine the Fed would want to start working the market down a little bit, or at least massaging it down a little bit. $47.5 billion worth of bond sales were due today from the Fed. I don't know if those were put into place yet or not, but they're definitely due. I have to check the Fred data after this is wrapped up. But still 47.5 billion more for August now that's due. So quite a lot of quantitative tightening on the Fed side that still needs to be done. And with the market looking a little weaker, this may be a good opportunity for them to get it back into a range that's a little less speculative. Yeah, HKD has just gone nuts. And that's going to drive up volatility in the market, which will further weaken the SPY. All right, so that's about it. Thank you guys so much. Keep an eye open for the DD tonight. I'll try to get it done. It might be kind of late by the time I finish, but I'll try to get it done and pushed out tonight. Thank you all so much, and I'll see you bright and early tomorrow. Have a good night, everyone.